Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily stop automatically sharing your Instagram posts and stories on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then hit at your profile picture to open up your profile. Then tap at three lines icon and select settings. Then scroll down for a bit and tap at account center. Then hit at sharing across profiles and then select your Instagram account. Now right here it says share from that Instagram account to that Facebook account. That's because these two accounts are linked, and right here you can stop sharing content between that accounts just by toggling off these automatically share options. You can toggle off sharing reels, posts and stories in that simple way. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram and Facebook tutorials playlists, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.